In this video, we show you one of the best model available in the market today. We will provide you with the key features and benefits of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Now, you can bring better health into your life by bringing Schwinn into your home with the IC2 indoor cycling bike. The Schwinn IC2 lets you take what you love about outdoor cycling inside, so you can get a low-impact, high-intensity lower body workout on your own time and in your own space. Designed with a 31-pound flywheel and high inertia drive system for maximum adjustability and infinite levels of resistance, on a frame built with oversized corrosion-resistant steel tubing. Plus, durable felt pads that keep resistance smooth and even throughout your workout. The IC2 goes the extra mile to keep you comfortable with BioFit multi-position handlebars, easy to adjust foot pedals, and a convenient place for your water bottle. To keep tabs on your progress, the Schwinn IC2 features an easy-to-use LCD console that tracks your speed, RPMs, distance, time, and calories burned. Maximum adjustability, outstanding comfort, and Schwinn durability. Now they can all be yours for a surprisingly affordable price with the Schwinn IC2 indoor cycling bike. Just one more way you can count on Schwinn for the good life.
Why we recommend this product. And these are rating for this product.